Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing fresh fatty fish and keeping everything cold. This preserves oil quality and slows bacteria. First, gut and fillet the fish, removing bones quickly to reduce spoilage. Next, grind or finely chop the fillets to increase surface area. That helps oil release during heating. Once done, transfer the mince into a heavy pot with a splash of water to prevent burning. Make sure all tools are clean so the oil won't pick up off flavors. You render oil by heating slowly. Set a low simmer between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius so proteins coagulate but oil doesn't oxidize. Stir occasionally and skim off gray foam. That foam contains water and impurities. After 1 to 2 hours, the oil will separate and rise. Use a ladle or oil separator to collect the top layer, or cool and let solids sink. Make sure to strain through cheesecloth while warm to remove fine particles. Clarity improves shelf life and taste. You finish by clarifying and storing the oil. Cool slightly, then decant and pass through fine cheesecloth into dark, airtight jars to limit light exposure. Add a small dose of vitamin E at about 0.5% as an antioxidant. This prolongs shelf life. Refrigerate or freeze for long-term storage and label with date. If the oil smells off or sour, it's rancid and must be discarded. If cloudy or full of sediment, gently reheat and refilter to separate remaining solids.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.